Aubrey wanted to be in the intro. Anyways, today we're filming a clean with me to give you a little bit of motivation during this time being stuck at home. Anyways, so if you want to clean with us or get a little bit of motivation or just sit on your couch and watch us, here we go. Say, ready?
Ready.
You gonna clean the house?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Okay. First things first. Get my oils going. Pick my favorite part of the day. I have I don't have lemon in front of me, but I used clove bud and mixed it with Young Living lemon. Oh, and clove bud this is a Walmart brand. And then I just mixed it with lemon. It's like a clean smell to me.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Sherry's homeschool, and then like dining room and craft area. So this is gonna be next, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do, since she already did her work today, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and then get her work set up for next week, because today's Friday. So I'm gonna get Monday through Friday's work set up and piles for next week and just tidy it up.
Any other way. I want you to know that with you I'm never cold. Can we spend this life together? Any other way. I need to make another move, but I got nothing more to prove. And in a second it will all be gone, fade into a memory, something that I need to see. It's an obsession that is much too strong. I know that I lost, but I'm not moving on. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel home. And if this could last forever, any other way. I want you to know that with you I'm never cold. Can we spend this life together? Any other
Homeschool / dining room is done. That mess over there is a box of donation of the kids' clothes. Just haven't been able to take it because everything's been closed with the quarantine, but everything's reset for next week. And then next to do is the foyer and the end of the stairs, the stuff that needs to go upstairs. And then these baskets go in the kids' rooms. So I gotta get that done, and this table is going to the shop, so I need to get it out of here and get that box finished unpacked because it's almost done, but there's still a little bit of stuff in there. So this is the next area.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? this moment? Can we stay here forever?
Okay, so I just wanted to let y'all know that my shirt was from Cody and Creek Boutique, and the pullover that I was wearing is also from there. I'm a brand ambassador for them, so I'm going to leave my code Harley10 for you to save in the description box with a link. You just comment sold on their Facebook page on what post that you would like to purchase. I just wanted to let y'all know that. I did say that in this video, but the audio video on my phone just doesn't match very well, and so there wasn't good quality. But thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I just hope to see y'all again soon. Thank you for your support.